ironbound section near Avenue L, where the Portuguese women come to see what you sell. The clouds so low, the morning so slow, as the wires cut through the sky. The beams and bridges cut the light on the ground into little triangles, and the rails run round through the rust and heat, the light and sweet coffee color of her skin. Bound up in iron and wire and fate, watching her walking up to the gate in front of the iron-bound schoolyard. Kids will grow like weeds on a fence. She says they look for the light, they try